In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Jurassic World mod menu completely free. And yes, this method is fully working on both iOS and Android devices. If you're looking for a Jurassic World hack, Jurassic World mod menu, or Jurassic World++, you're in the right place. As you can see on the screen, this mod menu unlocks all the game hacks, including unlimited coins, unlimited cash, unlimited food, and unlimited SDNA. These features work on both iPhone and Android, with no jailbreak or root required. Inside the mod menu, you'll find multiple powerful options such as free shopping, unlimited coins, unlimited cash, unlimited food, unlimited SDNA, and much more. This gives you a massive advantage and lets you progress in Jurassic World much faster. Before getting started, make sure your Jurassic World game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is an update available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain exactly where and how to download Jurassic World++ step by step. Just follow the instructions carefully, and you'll have the mod menu installed in no time.